Dawn breaks over the Roman camp, a cool mist enveloping the tents and fortifications. While most of the legionnaires are still deep in slumber, I, Lucius Maximus, the Imaginifer of the 10th Legion, am already awake. As the one who carries the sacred image of the Emperor into battle, there's a weight on my shoulders greater than the wooden pole and golden bust I bear. My day begins with a visit to the shrine. Here, among the incense and quiet prayers, I pay my respects and ask for the Emperor's favor, not only for me but for the entire Legion. My role isn't just that of a standard bearer. I'm also a symbol of the divine mandate that guides the Legion, a connection between the soldiers and the immortal gods. Breakfast follows, a simple meal of bread, olives, and wine. Across the long wooden tables, soldiers share tales of home, laughter, and camaraderie filling the air. Yet, while they jest, there's a glint of respect in their eyes when they glance my way. The Imaginifer isn't just any soldier. My position carries with it an aura of the sacred, a reminder of the Emperor's gaze upon us all. But not all my day is filled with gravitas. Training with the rest of the Legion is an essential part of my duties. While I'm not expected to be the first into battle, an Imaginifer must be skilled enough to defend himself and, more importantly, the sacred image he carries. Thus, amidst the clang of steel and the shouts of centurions, I train. My close friend, Gaius, often spars with me, his wooden gladius meeting mine in a dance of strikes and parries. Sweat and sand mix, the sun beats down, but I can't falter. The image I bear is too important. Lunch is a brief respite. More bread, some cheese, maybe a piece of salted meat if we've been resupplied recently. During these moments, I often reflect on how I became the Imaginifer. It wasn't a role I sought, it was bestowed upon me. My superiors saw something in me, a blend of dedication, reverence, and strength, that made me suitable to bear the Emperor's likeness. In the afternoon, I polish and care for the sacred image. It's a golden bust, remarkably detailed, capturing the Emperor's likeness with an uncanny precision. Every curl in his hair, every crease on his forehead, is meticulously recreated. This image is more than just metal, it's a conduit for the Emperor's spirit. Polishing it isn't just about maintaining its shine, it's a ritual, a connection. As I work, the world fades away, leaving just me, the Emperor, and the soft cloth in my hands. By late afternoon, the camp is alive with various activities. Soldiers repairing their gear, centurions discussing strategies, and cooks preparing the evening meal. I often find myself wandering, conversing with the soldiers, offering a word of encouragement here, a comforting hand there. The well-being of the Legion is as much my responsibility as is the sacred image. As dusk approaches, the trumpet sounds, calling the legionnaires to formation. Here, beneath the banners and eagles, I stand at the forefront, the Emperor's image held high. It's a moment of unity, of purpose. The centurion gives his orders, his voice carrying through the ranks. Then, with a final salute to the Emperor's image, the soldiers disperse, returning to their tents and fires. Dinner under the stars is a time for bonding. Today, we've been given a stew, thick with vegetables and bits of meat. As I eat, I listen to the tales of the soldiers around me, stories of battles won, loved ones left behind, dreams of what's to come. Every now and then, a soldier will raise his cup in my direction, a silent toast to the Emperor and the hope I represent. Night falls, and the camp is bathed in the soft glow of countless fires. I find a quiet spot, away from the merriment, to offer my nightly prayers. The weight of my responsibilities is ever present, but in these quiet moments, I feel the Emperor's strength flow through me. Before I retreat to my tent, Gaius approaches, clapping me on the back. "Another day, Lucius," he says with a grin. "And tomorrow, we march again, with you leading the way." I nod, clasping his forearm. "With the Emperor's favor, my friend. Always." As I close my eyes, the rhythmic hum of the camp lulls me to sleep. Another day awaits, another chance to be the bridge between the gods and men. As the Imaginifer, I am the embodiment of Rome's might and the Emperor's grace, a beacon of hope for the Legion and the Empire. And with every sunrise, I embrace that role with pride and reverence.